If suffering and death feel like they're just how the world works, permanent fixtures nobody can change. But the Bible actually promises something very different. Not vague comfort, but a specific detailed picture of what changes. In Isaiah chapter 35, the prophet describes it directly. Then will the eyes of the blind be opened, and the ears of the deaf unstopped. Then will the lame leap like a deer, and the mute tongue shout for joy. Not symbolic healing, actual bodies actually restored. Gladness and joy will overtake them, and sorrow and sighing will flee away. Ezekiel chapter 47 describes something just as specific. A river flowing out from the temple, bringing life everywhere it goes. Swarms of living creatures will live wherever the river flows, so where the river flows, everything will live. And on its banks, trees bearing fruit every month. Their fruit will serve for food, and their leaves for healing. An ongoing source continually bringing healing and fruit, not just for a growing season. The miracles Jesus performed during his ministry were a preview. A glimpse of the world he will one day establish, where healing isn't temporary or limited to a few people, but becomes the normal way of life. A glimpse of what becomes permanent and complete when his kingdom actually arrives. Suffering and death aren't simply things we learn to live with. The Bible promises they will come to an end. And it described that future in remarkable detail, thousands of years before anyone alive today was born. These aren't empty wishes. They're promises from a God who has never failed to keep his word. If you'd like to discover more of the hope the Bible offers, subscribe and join us next time. Because if suffering and death really come to an end, what happens to those who've already died? Please subscribe and look for our next video, KP03, the Resurrection. God's promise of a new beginning. If you found this video interesting and would like to explore more, we have several options for you. One is our free multilingual Bible-based Christianity course, a free 30-lesson video course covering all aspects of the Bible and daily life. Another is The Bible by Stories, a series of over 50 videos that takes you on a journey from creation to the early church. And if you have questions about Scripture, there is a multilingual chat system on the website where you can ask any question on scriptural issues. To access any of them, simply visit the website listed below. If we don't yet have videos or the course in your language, please email us at the address shown, telling us what you are interested in and your language, and we will do our best to create them for you. And lastly, please subscribe to this channel. God bless you on your walk to his kingdom.